Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy for IndoRecipe.com, and today's recipe vlog, it is rhubarb cream cheesecake using rhubarb marmalade, rhubarb jam, rhubarb spread that I made the other day, and it turned out super nice. Check out the full video now. See you soon again. Bye. Dump 1 bag of honey graham crumbs into your pan or mold. This is about 400 grams, and we're gonna add melted butter, about ½ cup, and we're gonna press it, mix it, and then press it side up, making into a crust, a base. Mix it, wet the whole crumbs with the melted butter, and then we're gonna press it again, base and sides up, making into the cheesecake crust or bottom. You can use your hand, or you can press it like this with your spoon. It's up to you. Make sure all the crumbs are wet, and then you press it, so you don't want a loose crumbs. So when you mix it, the crumbs with, you don't want a loose crust. So when you mix the crumbs with the melted butter, make sure all the crumbs are wet before you press it into a base. Now we're gonna bake it for 5 minutes at 325 Fahrenheit. Bake it for 5 minutes. Take out crust from the oven and let it cool to room temperature while we prepare the cream cheese part. For the cheesecake itself, or the cream part, this is 2 blocks of cream cheese at 250 grams each, with ½ cup of sugar, ½ teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna mix it with our stand mixer until completely combined. I am using paddle attachment for this one instead of whisk. With spatula, bring sides, scrape it to center so that we can nicely mix them again with the other ingredients we're gonna mix. Now we're gonna add in our rhubarb jam or rhubarb butter. We're gonna mix it again. You can add 1/4 to 1/3 cup of rhubarb butter or rhubarb jam. Mix it until well combined again. And again, we're gonna scrape sides and put them into center again before we add eggs. We're gonna add eggs 1 at a time, and we're just gonna mix it until just combine. Again, until just combine. 1 egg at a time, totaling 2 eggs. Once 2 eggs blended until just combine, add 2 tablespoons of rhubarb jam. Now mix it with your spatula. Just fold it or cut through so it's not like totally mixed, or you can totally mix it, but otherwise just cut through or fold it like so. And now we're gonna dump the batter into our crust, onto our crust. And spread it nicely like so. Now we're gonna bake it at 325 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes until center is somewhat set. There we go. Take out of oven and cool it for an hour at least, or to room temperature, and then chill it for at least 4 hours or overnight in the fridge.